Hi guys, welcome back to GK with CK. Now that you know all about interest, loans and deposits, let's see how to negotiate a deal in your favor. So best thing to do is to write a list of pros and cons. For example, the happiness you will get on buying and wearing new pair of shoes to your friend's birthday party. How much will it add up to your style and comfort factor? If you think you are being taken advantage of, ask your mom to make it a fair deal. For example, if she lets go of some repayment and in turn you will clean both your clothes and shoe cabinet. Or if she lets go of some amount and rest goes from your deposits with her with probably zero interest. Don't forget, you have an edge. She loves you a lot and will probably give in like always. So remember friends, when striking a deal, see if the ultimate purpose will bring you enough profits or not. Remember to weigh the pros and cons so you never give up more than you wished to. Guys, if you like the content, do like and share our video, and for learning more such life skills, stay tuned with us. Bye bye for now. Happy evening.
Oh,